Hey guys, welcome back. On this episode of Random Reviews, what we've got is what I believe to be a keychain small compact taser. Now this can be used as self-defense. It could be used, you're walking around just as an extra sense of security on your person that you can use and have and know that it's there. This is on eBay for I believe $12 or $13. I'll pop the link down in the description. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future random review episodes. This is Over the Table. Let's get started. Alright, so we've got our package here. It's another bubble wrap packaging. Oh, we got a little card here. What does it say? Get 10% off your next order. Little business card in there. And right here is the miniature self-defense flashlight. It says flashlight, but as you can see there with the prongs, this is definitely a taser. This thing is tiny. This is definitely the smallest taser I've ever seen by far. We'll open it up. The unboxing experience is pretty nifty. I was expecting quite a bit of difficulty to open up this package. I was a little worried, but it's an easy open package. It comes with your standard micro USB cable, and it's actually a flat one, so maybe it's more durable. I don't know. It's got a little keychain loop on there. It's got your charging port. It's got an on-off switch. So this springs out and springs back. So I'm guessing when you hit the on switch, ooh, that was intense. Oh, so it's okay. So basically, this right here is also a button. When you press it, it does turn on a flashlight, and you know what? That's a decent little flashlight. You can use this flashlight when you're walking around at night and it's dangerous, it's dark, you're walking the streets, doing whatever you do. You've got this flashlight that gives you some light. Alright, the next feature is obviously if you pull it out, then you're doing more than just flashlight stuff. You're definitely lighting up there. That's pretty fancy. I like it. It's making my camera freak out. So, it's rechargeable, it's light, it's lightweight. It's seems to be made of aluminum, but I'm not sure. That could also be plastic that's just coated to look like aluminum. It's made in China. Well done, China. This is the silver design. There's multiple colors, but I found this one to be the cheapest, I believe, is why I went with this one. I don't exactly want to test the taser part of this because I'm just going to assume it works. I really don't want to get shocked. I mean, even if it's not like some crazy powerful taser, you're still going to ward off somebody who's trying to attack just with that scary bit of sound there, because that is definitely intimidating. Your flashlight works very well. It's not the brightest of flashlights, but it does the job if you're out at night and you just need some sort of flashlight. You don't have your phone on you or something. The keychain taser. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. This miniature taser has quite a little punch to it. It's got the flashlight for your flashlight abilities. It's small, compact, everything that you'd want in your self-defense. So that way you don't even have to know you're carrying it, but you'll always have that safety. So there's the product. I'll go ahead and pop the link down in the description. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe, have a great day, and don't get shy.